Because it looks like, as far as what Harsimrat Kaur Badal is saying, they're not being allowed to go actually inside, way past the barricades and meet with the protesters.
See, what police is claiming that since these there are security arrangements by Delhi police, I can show you the arrangements which have been made at the Gazipur border right now. That barricades have been put up even at the nearby the protest sites, and there are several other other measures which have been taken, like barbed wires and all these things. I can show you in my visuals that how some of the police personnel are standing, and even some other delegations, they are trying to cross over towards Gazipur border, but they are not being allowed. I can show you through the visuals that a delegation has reached. It is the delegation which is supposed to meet the farmers and take view about the situation. But right now they are being kept on the other side of the barricades. These are the live pictures how the delegation has been stopped from coming towards the protest site. So this is the situation right now. There are several layers of barricading which stops anyone who is visiting to Delhi or to this protest site from Delhi. So these are the restrictions. I can show you the delegation is standing right behind the barricades, right behind the barbed wires. Even I can show you that DMK leader is there, and several other opposition party MPs are waiting outside the barricade. They have not been allowed to visit inside. So this is the exact position what Harsimrat Kaur Badal was talking about, that she has been stopped from visiting the protest site which she wanted to visit along with the opposition MPs. So right now this is the situation at the Gazipur border. I can show you this picture, that how the delegation has been stopped. They are not being allowed inside. Even the security personnel are there to stop all the MPs who want to visit this site. So the things are, I won't tell you that things are tense, but they have been stopped. So I will try to visit that side of the barbed barricade, but it is difficult for us even to move from this side, this protest sites, towards the Gazipur, towards the Delhi side.
Kumar,
I can show you the nails which have been put up by Delhi police. These are being... Yeah. They are removing the nails. I can show you the live pictures. They are removing nails. These nails have been put up just a few days ago, but now it has been removed by the authorities. These have been put up to stop the tractors, but most of the nails, I can show you, they are not standing. They are, earlier they were erected, but now the nails are being removed by the authorities. So this is a new development which is happening right now at the Gazipur border. Nails are being removed, and the delegation, I can show you once again the pictures of the delegation which is being kept waiting at the outskirts only. There are several MPs who want to visit inside, but they are not being allowed. So two things are happening simultaneously. One, the MPs are being kept waiting outside the barricade, and the second thing, these nails which are being put up to stop any of the tractors which want to visit Delhi. These nails have been put up, but now they are being removed. So there is no communication why these nails are being removed, but I can see that some of the workers, they are putting their effort to stop, to remove these nails from the roads. Still, I can show you that the MPs are not being allowed. They are still standing amidst amidst high security cover. The police personnel, the paramilitary personnel, They are also standing along with, they are also making videos of the MPs, but they are not being allowed inside. So this is the situation which is coming up. Although what Harsimrat Kaur Badal has said earlier that this is not being done, since they are elected representatives, they are member of parliament, and they should be allowed if they want to visit inside the protest site and they want to take view of the protest, then they should be allowed, but they are not being allowed. They are kept outside the barricade. So this is the situation. I can show you, Akshita, these are the live pictures which can show how the political temperature is even increasing here. And amidst all these things, the removal of these nails, it is a different story altogether, that how first police have put these nails on the roads to stop the tractors, and now without any notice, without any information, they are removing these nails from the road. So all these things are happening happening morning as far as Gazipur protest site is concerned. I can show you from other side as well. Some of the farmers, they are also gathered here. They are also looking that what all is happening. They are never being amidst so much hype and the media coverage. The media coverage is going on. MPs are going to visit them. Nails are being removed without anything. So all these discussions are taking place at this protest site of Gazipur. So you can see how the situation is not tense, but quite
yes, a lot of dramatic developments happening this morning. But as you're getting us those visuals, Kumar, you're telling us two big developments. One is beyond where Kumar Kunal is standing, about 4 layers of barricading, and post the barbed fires is where you see almost 15 MPs standing there trying to meet with the farmers. They're not being allowed to. They're being told that they cannot go further because the Delhi police fears that there could be some tension that breaks out. Remember that the situation is very fragile on the ground, so the Delhi police do not want to risk having things really go out of control. The MPs, however, their contention is that we are elected representatives. We have a right to meet with these protesting farmers, but they're not being allowed beyond those multiple layers of barricades. As we speak, as those MPs stand on one side, on the other side, which you see on your screens there, which we've been showing for the last few days, of how the Delhi police put up these iron nails on the ground to ensure vehicles can't go by, those are being removed by the administration now. What's prompted this move? A lot of questions will be asked, because right now, as we speak, those nails are being removed, and just a few meters away with layers of barricades are these MPs, are these members of parliament standing there trying to negotiate with the police and trying to enter into the protest site and meet with the protesting farmers. Looks unlikely that permission will be given for the same, because as I mentioned, the police has been saying the situation is very volatile. They cannot afford to take any chances. And amid this, questions over what's prompted the authorities now to remove some of those layers of security, which they said is needed to keep, which did also bring a lot of criticism of what was the need for this level of barricading, this level of security for protesting farmers. One layer being removed. We'll have to see if the barricades also are moved aside now. But at this point, the members of parliament who've gathered there are not being allowed.